Easy to install, huh? We'll see about that.
Hey YouTube, it's Faye, and for today's video, I'm gonna try the Home Depot lip on my Mk3 Supra and see how it looks. Why is this? Your lip is already good, Faye. This is true. This is true, but no rest for the weary. Just got back from Supras in Vegas, and in a few days, I am headed to Houston for some Toyota training. I'm doing hybrid and EV training, and I am lousy. I am lacking in that department, probably because I'm just not passionate about it. Okay, people, I'm just not excited about it, and thus I have no interest in learning it on my own. So anyway, I'm gonna take the class. It's gonna be amazing, and I'm looking forward to that class very much. But I figured that I would maybe be a little bit more passionate about that class if I drive my Supra out there to Houston. And you know, she's running so great right now. I'm just like really stoked to get behind the wheel and drive to Houston with the top off. And yeah, it should be a nice, good, easy 2.5 hour drive. However, every time I go out there, I think to myself how much I want to bring my Mk3, but the roads are horrendous. The roads are horrendous, especially the one road that goes right up to class. Like, it just got a bunch of bumps and stuff like that. I'm like, you know what? My car is so low to the ground, static, so low to the ground. I drive about 3 inches off the ground all the time. And in order to drive anywhere, I have to do a lot of planning, pre-planning, route planning, you know, scope it out ahead of time with other cars. And this time I did, and I determined that it is almost impossible to make it to class safely with my lip on the way she sits. So today I'm gonna do the Home Depot lip mod and see how it looks on my car. Also, I had to take the lip off anyway because unfortunately, while I have been driving around just great with the lip without any problems, getting the car up on the trailer, I did crack the lip. So I've got to take it off anyway and repair it. And while I'm there, I think I'm gonna have to come up with some sort of quick release solution. So in the future, when I go to drive onto a trailer, if I'm gonna use that trailer again or any other trailer that is not made for lowered cars, I can just release the lip real quick and drive on there no problem like everyone else does. So I don't know why I make my life so hard for myself, but today, this should be easy because this lip claims to be easy to install. So let's give it a shot and let's get right into it.
So 82?
So we'll round up and get 90 inches of something.
Sounds good.
Okay. Ooh, do I want scalloping? We've either got 60 feet of 3-inch or 20 feet of 1.5 inch. So I'm gonna try this one and I can get a few lifts out of this, I think. So I'm willing to risk $18.97 to give it a shot.
I started by figuring out the rough length I'm looking for, so I zip tied one end to one end of the bumper, then the center, and then the other end, then marked it, added an extra 3 inches just to be safe, and cut it. I mean, way too long on purpose. Then I went around the entire lower lip of the bumper and very carefully pre-drilled my holes, then installed self-tapping screws with large washers to support the lip. I pretty much made one hole through each one of those tabs meant for the landscaping stakes.
This is what I'm using, the 7mm indented hex head. Okay, it looks awesome. Now I'm just gonna trim a little extra here on the end, and I can either do that by taking it off or trim it in place if I feel confident enough that I'm not gonna damage the bumper. But that's where I'm at. I don't even know how I want it to end. Should it be straight? Should it be curved? Ah! Since the plastic is so soft and so easy to cut through, I determined it'd be super easy to just Dremel it in place and then blow it out with compressed air. And I think I'm also gonna add one more little screw to sort of push the lip out so it moves with the bumper. So I'm just gonna Dremel it. Ooh, not bad. I went back in with my little deburring tool and it looks phenomenal. All right, I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna drop it down and let's see what we think. After the first end of my lip looked so good, I took a photo of it and in my camera app just mirrored it, flipped it, and zoomed it in. So I had a little reference photo on my phone while I was shaping the other side. Holy smokes, that looks phenomenal. Wow. Oh, I mean, it looks stock, it looks OEM, it looks like it rolled off the showroom floor like that. Oh my God.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you've been considering trying the Home Depot lip on your car, I hope that this video encouraged you to give it a shot because, I mean, for 20 bucks, you seriously can't beat it. And we all know that we're just gonna destroy our lips with our lowered cars anyway. So might as well be a $20 lip rather than a $120 lip. So anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye. For today's chicken footage, let's review how all of my chickens respond to cucumbers.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Do you want a cucumber? Hi, Fern. Do you want some too? No, just Abby. Abby wants cucumber. How about multi-delight? Hi. Hi, girls. Hi, everybody. Who wants cucumbers? Wow! Anyone else? Fiona, there you go. You want some? Thalia? Penny? Ooh, yummy. Monica? No. Monica, you want some? No, okay. He's shy. He's a shy fella. Hi, Thalia. Wow! God, we don't have to fight over these. It's not that serious. Goodness, you can both share. Clemmy, you are dominating the cucumber. Hi. Hi, Phoebe. You want to meet Phoebe? And now the babies, which are getting so big that it is time for them to almost go out into the big coop. Oh, hi. Do you want this? Do you want this? Yes, oh my goodness. What about Hioki? Oh, careful. We're very excited about the cucumber in here.